Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Come on, let's get into this video. But before we get into this video, I must say to my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands. Now let's get into this video. Come on. Hello. So we have our soaps here. By the bay, I have my scissor. We're going to use this little wavy one here. I have my back labels here, sticker labels, and I have my front labels here. Okay, so first things first, let's cut out by the bay. Okay, this one is Sparday, that's the next one. Put that over to the side. So all I do, as you can see, is printed all on one big sheet of paper, which I like. How is everyone doing out there? Are you good, everyone? I hope you're good on this Wednesday. I'm doing great. I'm okay. I'm hanging in there. Are you staying warm enough? I hope you're staying warm enough. Okay, stay inside if you can, if you're in cold weather, if you don't have to be out there. Nice little wavy scissor, right? Okay, we're gonna read it off in 1 second. Just let me cut them off. We don't need any tag, because we put these directly onto the soap. Nice and simple. Let me give you the quote of today. The quote of today is fearless. The quote of today again is fearless. Okay? That's the quote of today. Take it any way you like. All right. Here's our back label. That's not it. There you go. Okay. All right, so only thing you do is take your front label, decide which way you want your ship to face, this way or this way, it doesn't really matter to me, and place your label. All right, you take a front label and try to, as best as possible, to grab a hold to it, which I got right here. Place your label. Like I say, decide what's your front, what's your back. Just place it. Take your back label and put it in the back. That's all you have to do. There you go. Once you get that edge, you got it. All right. By the Bay, organic coconut oil with Bay Rum Fragrance Oil, Artisan soap bar, 5.5 to 6 ounces. We already know they're over that. They're 6 plus 6, 0. We just weighed them. Ingredients: organic coconut oil, olive oil, organic shea butter, castor oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, soap embeds, fragrant oil, glycerin, vitamin E. Okay, by the Bay. By the Bay. Beautiful, right? And remember, the quote of today is fearless. Fearless is the quote of today. I'm trying to find that corner There you go. Got it. Make sure you put a back and front label on it. Supplies needed. You needed your labels, scissors, and your soap. Simple as that, right? Simple as that. I think we're going to do a poll on what should we do next. Because I have no idea what should we do next. I'm trying to figure it out. Well, I better figure it out soon, right? Because I'm running out things to do. I need some suggestions. I need y'all to tell me what would you like for me to show you how to do. Remember, this is your channel. Tell me what you want to see. What you interested in me doing. Or what do you like to learn how to make? And if I can make it, I will. So leave a comment down below. Quote of today is fearless. Are you fearless? That's the quote of today. You see, you just place them any way you like. Doesn't matter, just as long as they get placed. All right, I'm going to be quiet and let's get little music on. So here we go. We're done. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Absolutely beautiful. By the Bay is done. I have a few little gift soaps that we're going to put together. You're going to help me put together in the next video. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much for joining me today in our ship soap by the Bay. Love you much. Mwah. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye for now.